Welcome to Live Spy Trading Weekly Breakdown for the week of June 8th to June 12th. In today's video, we're going to go over all the setups and all the callouts that helped us beat the market like it stole something from us. Let's get into the trades. All right, let's get into it. We're going to start the video with June 8th. Look at the date. Look at the time. In pre-market, I made the trading plans. Let's see what happened in real life first. All right, so June 8th, we see there's little volatility in the morning before the push down. Now let's see if we had a trading plan that accounted for that. Let's look for the rejection off the 20 MA. So in pre-market, we want to see the price spike up right underneath the 20 MA, grab some liquidity, push down, do a little dance between 740.80 and 42.06, and then push down again. Let's see what happened again. We see the price spiked up a little bit underneath our 20 MA. Do a little dance between 40.80, 42.08 before pushing down again. Every single price point hit to perfection. Now let's see how we approached it in the live session. Break of the yellow. The retest while still inside the orange. Whew. All right, look, we had a good day. I'm going to screen share it really quick so everyone can see. Look at this, watch. Where are my comments? All right, look, at 9:56, this is Pacific Standard Time. Second bite of the apple, meaning, watch, when we got down here, I was wondering, are we going to retrace back down here to get another test of this level right here at, what time? 741.60, right? All right, cool. Let's continue. I said it's getting sketchy on the put side, but orange is holding up. Look at this. Orange is holding up right here in the same minute. Orange is holding up. Look at orange. Easy money. Whew. 20K. I love it. I love it. Moving right along to June 9th. Here's our trading plans. Let's see what happened June 9th. June 9th, we had a significant, massive red day. Let's see how we accounted for that. All right, so let's look at the mini bolt down. We want to see the price spike down, maybe form some resistance at the 742.08 before the push down. And again, we can see the spike down, the resistance that formed at 742.08. See the wick, the resistance, and then the flush. And in the next clip, we're going to see how we attacked June 9th in real time. I hope I was able to display that I'm not simply connecting tops and bottoms, right? I'm not just connecting tops and bottoms and saying, look, there goes the trend. I see it before it happens. I already see it. We're doing something very unique here. I'm doing this all live in real time, and I'm feeling under the weather. But I need to perform for you all, so I want to make sure you're getting your money's worth. Look at the money we just printed. Look at the money we just printed. Let me go ahead and put the blacked out logos on. There we go. Now, if you made money, nothing wrong with calling it a day, because it's not going to get any easier from here. It's only going to get harder. Continuing on our journey, June 10th. Look at the date. Look at the time. Here's our trading plans from that morning. Let's see what happened on June 10th. On June 10th, we saw a spike up and then some consolidation and then the final push down. Let's see how we accounted for that. Let's go to the trading plans. Let's look at the inverse cup and handle. So in pre-market, we want to see the price spike up, find some resistance at 737.92, push down, form this beautiful handle right here, maybe a little bit above 31.62 before the final push down. Again, we see the push up, we see the resistance at 737.92, the handle forming right here, a little bit above 731.62 before the push down. Every single price point hit to perfection. Now let's see how we approach this live. No panic, no stress. Easy money. Easy money. Look at the money we just printed. Look, if you're not in the Discord, this is what you missed out on. Look at the money we just printed. Get out of my face. This is why I'm the best. This is why I am the best. Look at the money just got printed. Look, entry on 35.51. Look at the money we just printed. Who didn't know we were gonna break, retest, and reject underneath the blue? Look at the break, the retest, and the reject. Look at the break, the retest, reject. Look at the money we just This is why I'm the best. You don't want to join the Discord? Stupid. Look at you. Look at you looking stupid right now. Look at the money we just printed. This is absolute perfection. This is what I'm talking about. Who didn't know? Who didn't know? But you think $45 is too much to join? I prove it every day. Look at the money we just printed. When I went into the secret room to hide it from everybody who didn't want to join, look what you missed out on. Stupid. Look how dumb. This is why your parents don't like you. Because they can't trust you. Because you don't know a good deal if it were to slap you in the face. I'm telling you what's going to happen ahead of time. Look at the money. Look at this. How could I be any better? It doesn't exist. No one's doing what I'm doing. Come on now. Protect your trade. Moving right along to June 11th. Look at the date. Look at the time. Here are our trading plans. Let's see what happened on June 11th. June 11th, we see a little consolidation and then maybe a relief rally. Okay, so our trading plans. Actually, we had two trading plans that would have been applicable for June 11th. So let's look at this annoying grind to fill the gap, right? So the annoying grind to fill the gap, you see it's an annoying grind because we had a gap in the overnight and pre-market. Now let's see real life. You see this annoying grind to fill the gap between overnight and pre-market. And then the other trading plan we could have used here was the cup and handle, right? We wanted to grab that liquidity, push up, and form a nice little handle above before the final push. Again, we grab that liquidity from down here, pushed up, formed a nice little handle right here before the final push. Every single price point hit to perfection. Now let's see how we applied this in real time. Collect the money. Collect the money. That's what I recommend. Look at the money we just printed. Still got a minute and 29 on this. And do you see how smooth it is in the 5-minute chart? From 27.33 all the way. This is come on now. Look at the money. And there's people still sitting there on the sidelines. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Should I spend $45 in a week? Stupid. Oh my goodness. Look at the money we just printed with the blacked out lokes. With the blacked out. Look at the money. Look at the money. Come on to the next key level. This is over 2 points in a... You see it now, Grim? There we go. It's so easy. This is 2 EASY. It's 2. I'm like that. I'm like that. We had a good day, right? We had a good day. Very good day. I told everyone what was going to happen. And to finish off the week, June 12th, look at the date, look at the time. Here are our trading plans. Let's see what happened on that day. June 12th, we have a little consolidation and a push up. Finish off kind of flat, huh? A little bit. Let's see how we accounted for this with our trading plans. Let's look at the mini cup and handle. So for the mini cup and handle, we want to see the price swoop down, maybe a little bit below 737.92. Grab some liquidity before the push up, and maybe a little bounce, a little dance, if you will, in between 742.08 and 740.80, right? As you can see, the price swoop down, grabbing some liquidity from 737.92 before the push up, and then you see the dance between 742.08 and 740.80. Every single price point hit to perfection. If you're interested in learning how to trade with us, go to livespytrading.com. I'll get you sorted out. Now let's see how we attack this in the live stream. Told you, pay attention to this hesitation right here. Look, it went. This is why everyone needs to join the Discord, right? Pay attention to what's happening. You don't have access to the 5-minute chart. I literally just told everyone, look, you see this? It's going to go up, down, bounce up, and reject. I literally just told everyone in the Discord this is going to happen. Look at this perfection. It went up, down, retested, rejected. Come on now. If you didn't take advantage, don't worry. We got all day. Relax. I just told everyone in the Discord what to, pay attention to your 5. I just told everybody. I got to go ahead and take credit for that. And I said, this is too easy at this point because we knew our call setup was up here, right? I even have a line drawn.